Today there was a historic first in the Minnesota Supreme Court. The High Court live streamed the hearing for the first time, and this was a big one.
Yeah, Pat Kessler reports on the Minnesota legislature suing the governor.
The first ever live stream of the Minnesota Supreme Court showed justices active, engaged, and a little impatient.
Can we just get to it?
Chief Justice Lori Gilday interrupting the governor's lawyer, leading the High Court through 80 minutes of aggressive questioning of both sides.
If it's constitutional, as you suggest, for the governor to take away funding for the legislature, why is it constitutional for the judiciary to give the money back to the legislature?
The House and Senate are suing the governor because they say he did not have the right to veto all of the legislature's operating funds in a budget dispute.
The governor did disagree with their appropriation because he said, we have these remaining issues and your work is not done.
They are, in essence, without a remedy, and that's why we had to come to this court, and that's why you should step in to break this impasse.
Governor Mark Dayton attended the High Court hearing, as did Republican leaders in the House and Senate, both making their cases outside the courtroom.
You're going to read clear and simple the language of the Constitution, which gives me the line veto authority.
If they did rule in the governor's favor, he suddenly has more power than he's ever had before.
Pat Kessler, WCCO 4 News.
A spokesman for the Supreme Court says there is no timetable for issuing a decision. However, the legislature runs out of money October 1st.
Well, you can